won 6.
Okay, well, good thing you got that 6.
Critical Hit is a student organization at UNT that provides a hub for tabletop role-playing games from anything from Dungeons & Dragons to Call of Cthulhu.
Welcome, one and all, to Blades in the Dark, a role-playing game about being little crime people in a Victorian ghost city.
Anyone is welcome to join Critical Hit or play these games. Currently in Critical Hit, we have about 1,000 members in our Discord server. We get beginners joining the club, we get experienced members joining the club. Pretty much, this is the hub for anyone who is involved or enjoys tabletop role-playing games.
We're in now. You're on the roof. What do you want to do?
Is there a balcony that we could just drop down to?
Nobody run into it. She is very good at poker or she's cheating. Probably both.
We got a 3 and a 4. 5, 4, 6.
Alarm.
Joining Critical Hit is probably the easiest way to make friends and really get to know people and their personalities. My closest friends that I still have to this day and will probably have for the rest of my life were made because I joined a game with a bunch of strangers who I didn't know. We got to know each other so well that now they are my closest friends.